Cyclone Ana is a Category 2 tropical cyclone Australian scale that is making a landfall in Fiji imminently. On January 30th, it is at 17.1 south, 178 degrees east, and it is at 65 miles an hour, 1 minute sustained winds, 984 millibars. Here's the latest forecast cone from NATI. It hasn't updated for the storm's intensity increase, but it is a Category 2 and it will be making landfall and crossing Fiji within the next 12 hours. Here are the watches and warnings. The red and pink are where conditions are occurring right now, so pretty much the entirety of Fiji. The orange is a warning. Gales are stronger within 24 hours, so the storm will move across all these areas within the next 1 day. And then the yellowish orange outside of it is gales are stronger within 48 hours. So this will be in the next 2 days. We have Onoilau that could be affected and some of these outer Fijian islands. Here's the RAMMB model data for this storm. It's pretty much agreed upon by all the models that it will be a moderate to high-end tropical storm. It's not going to get any stronger than that. Although with the recent intensity jump, it might barely get to Category 1 Saffir-Simpson before it makes landfall in Fiji. The shear is at around 10 knots right now, but it's going to rocket up in the next few days, preventing it to recover from a landfall in Fiji if the intensity drops. The track, it's going to go right over Fiji. It's right there already. There's no debating that, and it's going to generally move to the southeast as the week goes on. Sea surface temperatures are 29 degrees right now, and they're going to lessen as the storm moves further south after it makes landfall in Fiji, so it probably won't intensify. The relative humidity is at just above 60% right now. It's going to get up to around 70% later this week, but then drop down as the week goes on and the storm moves south. Here are the sea surface temperatures. 28, 29 degrees right off the coast of Fiji where the storm is, but those won't really matter since it's going to be spending the majority of the next 12 hours over land and possibly weakening. Then it's going to be 28, 27, and then it'll turn to 26, and then it will get unfavorable for intensification. And here's the infrared satellite from Tropical Tidbits. There's a lot of minus 80s and 90s around the center of the storm. It looks like it's getting really close to a landfall, but given that we can't find an accurate center quite yet, we don't know if it has made landfall yet. But it's definitely really close within the next few hours. So if you live in Fiji, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next update.